it gives us options, right? But we've already signalled, and the whānau have signalled to us that they would like things like more housing. So everyone knows pretty well now that housing costs a hell of a lot of money to construct, even the most basic of houses. And so, we have our Papakainga master plan, which which will be coming to whānau over winter with, which will finally, I think, lay out a program of building. Whānau can see the kaumātua housing now being built. I mean, that's over $5 million, that development itself. And we're always looking for opportunities as well if land comes up with my whaiarawa hat on. And as I mentioned before, we will want to acquire land out at Unitec, which is our right through our RFR treaty settlement. But we need to keep funding all of the things that the Whaimaya are doing. They have their own ambitious plans as well, and rightly so, around our arts, around our reo, so developing our paurewa and so on. We have to keep paying for our NIB insurance, all of that. So we always hear about the sports club. Whānau want us to have an HQ back home. So there's so many, and this is the great thing. We've got these wonderful problems to solve. But the uplift in the LVR will just provide us with more options, and will help us manage that risk if there is another big catastrophe that happens, a worldwide shutdown or whatever. That we do have some headroom, that we don't have to then start offloading land when we're not ready to sell that.